Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to enable 2FA on Roblox for security. So open Roblox and head over to settings. So click the three lines in the top left. Below, you're going to see settings. Tap it. Inside, we're going to head over to security. Inside security, you're going to be able to control the two-factor authentication method, right? Or two-factor authenticator method. So scroll a bit down. You can use email or authenticator app. If you want to use authenticator app, you're going to give you like a serial or a setup key. You're going to take that, obviously, and use the setup key in your preferred two-factor authenticator app. In my case, I use Google Authenticator. Hit the plus button in the bottom right, and you're going to enter a setup key. And of course, add the account name, right? If you have more than one Roblox account, then add a unique name so you can make a difference. And then hit add. Consider liking this video, subscribe.